This is HSK 2, lesson number 8, and we're going to correct page number 76, okay? Here we have 5 different sentences. I say 5 because although you are seeing here 6, but letter E, we are not going to use it. This is very important. And we have to combine these sentences with the ones besides the numbers, okay? So, for example, here we have 5 different questions, and according to these questions and according to the sentences that we have above, we have to match them, okay? In order to make small dialogues. First of all, I'm just going to translate the sentences above, okay? So the first one we have here, 这件白的有点长，这件黑的我也不太喜欢，我再看看吧。So the translation for this could be, this white one, we're referring to pieces of clothes, okay, is a little bit long. This black one, I also don't like it very much. I'm going to do again, okay? So this one is one of the sentences we have. I continue with next one, letter B, okay? 服务员，我想要点热水。Waiter, I would like to have some hot water, okay? Letter C, 明天要考试，考试后再去看吧。Tomorrow, I have to do an exam. After the exam again, go to see, okay? And letter D, 让我想想再告诉你。Let me think and I will tell you. Letter E, as we are not going to use it, I'm not going to translate it, okay? And letter F, 听说他生病了，我想去医院看看他。I've heard he was ill. I want to go to the hospital to see him. Okay, so here we have these translations. And now we need to translate sentences below and also see which one goes with each one. Okay, the first one, 31. 你想看什么电影? What movie do you want to see? So if we are talking about movies, here you have letter C. We are having here an exam. Letter B, waiter. Letter A, this is about clothes. Letter F, I've heard he was ill. So the only one we have left is this one. Let me think and I will tell you, okay? So in this case, we are using letter D, okay? Next one, number 32. 你找大卫有什么事情吗? Why are you looking for David? Why you want him, okay? So if we realize here, the last one, F, letter F, I've heard he was ill. I want to go to the hospital to see him. So there's somebody looking for David, and the reason is this one, okay? Because I've heard that he was ill. I want to go to the hospital. Number 33. 这些都是今天新来的衣服. And here we have this keyword, 衣服, okay? These are the new clothes that have come today. These are the new clothes, the word for clothes, 衣服. And if you remember letter A, we have this white one is a little bit long and so on. We are talking here about 衣服, about clothes. How do we know? If you realize they're using the measure word 件, this measure word is used to refer to clothes, pieces of clothes, okay? So in this case, this is the key word to understand that this one is the correct answer, okay? Next, 34. 好的，请问您住哪个房间? Here we have some keywords. I'm going to translate, okay? Excuse me, which room are you staying in? I've been saying in a previous video that sometimes when we are referring to a receptionist, we also use the word 服务员. This is not just waiter, okay? So here, in letter B, we have waiter. I translated this way because this is the most common translation, but also can be a receptionist, okay? So if we can imagine this context, somebody has called, in a hotel, of course, has called to the receptionist and is asking for some hot water, okay? So the receptionist is saying, okay, which is your room, okay? So letter B. And the last one, 晚上去看电影好吗? What about going to see a movie at night? And as you can realize, we only have one left, which is tomorrow I have an exam. After the exam again, go to see. So the keyword here, can, the verb to see, to watch. Okay, so here we're referring to watch a movie. So that is one is the correct. Okay, so here you have the correction for these 5 sentences, and also you can rewatch the translation and how are they related. Okay, this is very important.